Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your controller if it's not working in Epic Games. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, close Epic Games Launcher right here in the taskbar as well. Exit. And then once that's done, we need to check if our controller is fully working. So go ahead and use the search bar and type down controller. Just like so. Click on Setup USB Controller. Okay, you'll be able to see this meter screen. So if your controller is listed and says OK right here, well, let's move forward. If not, there's a problem with your controller, okay? You might want to get it fixed first. So again, if your controller is listed, go ahead and open up Steam. If you don't have Steam, download it, okay? As we are going to run Epic Games Launcher through Steam. And as we all know, Steam right here supports controllers. So just log into one of your accounts. Now go ahead and go to the top left, click on Steam right here, click on Settings. Now go ahead and go to controller. And as you can see here, my controller is listed. If your controller isn't supported, well, you have that in here, okay? If you are using PlayStation controller, just make sure that this one is enabled, okay? Now, if you have a Switch Pro controller, enable this one. If you have a generic controller, well, enable this one, okay? And then once that's done, go ahead and go to your library. At the bottom left, we have Add a Game. Click on it. Add a non-Steam game. Wait for it to fully load, and then go ahead and find Epic Games Launcher. All right, click on the checkbox and click on Add Selected Programs. Now, once that's done, scroll all the way down, and you'll find the Uncategorized section. Well, just go ahead and find Epic Games Launcher. Click on it. Now, you're going to want to right-click on it and click on Properties. And under Launch Options, and just type down -Epic Portal. Okay, this one allows you to launch Epic Games through Steam with options to bypass the launcher for specific titles. So once that's done, hit on Close. Now go ahead and hit on Play right here. Open up the game that you wanted to play with the controller, and after that, enjoy. And that is how you fix your controller if it's not working in Epic Games. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.